slow. Say ye down. Miniane say. Obesa campaign I'm a MPP depending on the candidate.
The moment I believe
95.1.
Say a slow. Say the
captain.
Obi anim say. Enye nipa no frɛ asɛm na meka. Obi anim say wo captain. Me no wɔ dako. And at least oka asɛm a carry weight a change the nipa na ono frɛ ne beka. Now so wo ka say eye suro say bia ba yo eye asante kasa.
Want ase say me wo hey. Na ye say. Me nue. Why you say? Me ni ho. And o ka asɛm no we fidi so. And na wo be ka kyerɛ me say eye suro.
Ahaya na meka no.
Na me ka kyerɛ
me say main campaign ni Majo Mahama. Which I haven't changed my mind.
That is a campaign.
Depending on who MPP will bring, I will decide whether I will campaign for them or not. In 2016, my campaign ma a year Akufo-Addo. Based on me,
95.1.
2020 no me amagise Akufo-Addo memuonya etime campaign ma no na would ye kire yo yanko Akufo-Addo yo yanko ana abaje nsem na nkofo odi matam a what they don't know is that one me Akufo-Addo over 2016 no na me nim na agre dent because me suit here oba ye a me hunu se enye na me ye din ana nipa wei nya mo ofa kwadwo no apia no se Akufo-Addo enye o na nso ye fa ne nko it's a moody atem a ono na ese mudi nya ye mienu ono na ese mudi na tem mo
na wa wudi
kai ko ese mudi ono na tem me de hu
na wa wudi kai ko fa hwede ba afie wo se nya wo na ode once na ba
da bi me de once na ba ana mu se fie no once na bam me pra ko to agwa fa wudi a kire si da mo fa mu
the most important thing
enane no
da me dane no asana
enane o mu ya o mu say captain a patch
Efie
FIFA also patch
ya patch o
o see ya mo patch jo ma match
William reality didn't say na me ye MPP ni
na we ye is o nya MPP ni bi o
te twi na me kan o man kama asem ma me na ma offer se no nti mo na wo mu no bi na wo ti wo fa pani kasa tie me na me ye MPP ni ena wo nso wo ye MPP ni
me da so ye
me nti na me say wo ye eti yen ye party that time e wo candidate who do you expect me to go and campaign for obi am ye member with ni who then do you expect me to go and campaign for exactly no like no I'm coming there we are no
we are do this year man kwanam so come there
eti the tia ne say
Onua FM 95.1
obia we the president of fourth republic movie apart from Rawlings he had several years experience as a leader even though he was in a military uniform no apart from Rawlings no obia struggle here with the first step if you look at it carefully J. Akufo from 2001 7 January Ekusi 2003 and then even to the middle of 2004 it was a terrible time Ghana for bebre say and tipa person die in the second term he proved to the entire Ghanaian say he is the best amongst
Onua FM 95.1
Woba Professor Mills timer Mills time no almost first time sir
Onua FM 95.1
he was struggling to survive and succeed so what they got to J the other one and from the same party we have a track record that second term biano something profitable comes out of that. In any case, we were all bought into the idea, say, Free Senior High School was taking all the money, this drive, that driveway, this car, new and all that. So why not the second term?
Ebiana second term, you ma pick it.
And the me who ye first term no. Ebia me. So what I say? It's say your campaign it's not the reality. It's not the issue. The issue is that nipa ne buy why ye day. Said they all ye nya like he went away. Me sure says an another what chance so be could be free campaign Akufo-Addo.
David.
Konyeda.
And then go.
Onua
no,
FM
no,
95.1.
But you see, funny enough, I like him. Me penasem.
We all like
Still
him.
open as it.
That's
Oh
all
no,
them
me
people.
penasem.
As a person,
But the style of leadership is just.
as an individual, you can't hate
see,
him.
young can no kuro we. So kuro we can kura me. I should be celebrated than being insulted.
Yeah.
Huh? Kuro young can kura. Now you to know my dream more. Or my dream more hadn't he? Me say. So kuro we can kura. I should be celebrated than being insulted. What do you mean? When Akufo-Addo came to power, me, Makwa many share about 2-3 times as a president. Sabin Predu said, how many times na benya president in some kura achia? Let alone only president better on a dining table. Me many Akufo-Addo at dining table as president of the republic. Edidi, I'm heading Kumo.
Onua FM 95.1.
But you see, menya and you see, I'm sure say otiem de bia. So no subedi no kura man ho. Said you what tier the salam tier. Akufo-Addo and JJ Rawlings has always been friends. They've always been friends. Only Ghana for no more than Diagro. JJ Rawlings and Akufo-Addo, they have always been friends.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Even in the Kumi Preku
demonstration was our whole question.
Onua FM 95.1.
Will be an Akufo-Addo. Omo me Kumi Preku demonstration. From Kokuba Kwesi Prat to Bia, yet you will be a
it's like touching, strike the shepherd and the sheep will scatter. In this case, no, we are not taking the leader.
Mamin, can you?
Why was he not arrested?
When you Captain Chikata, Kojo Chikata, and I'm Kojo Chikata, not JJ Rawlings in Akufo-Addo to see. Forget the fact that JJ Rawlings near Akufo-Addo Kurano by matrilineal linkage, Omufrebushia Bako, eh? And I'm Chekatenti, not JJ Rawlings near Akufo-Addo to see. Time Akufo-Addo go school in London. Kobusa security detail and what in the co school side never. Nebusa who yet Akufo-Addo as a candidate for the MPP. Tienio. Now so or there in Yanko see we Koko tie speech in Akufo-Addo mind. I don't know what there in Yankopon say. The next person after there in Yankopon say, Captain Chikata, who is an NDC. Obia Musa no question.
Which of the speeches? Which
Me say time Akufo-Addo wini and fear ho na nwumre na ne WOHO. War than Ghana for us. So matter Obama no.
Oh, we need second term and
the mechanic first time. Or there in Yankopon say we the next person what done say, Captain Chikata. Opa go hear video no.
Oh, really?
When you do that, me say
na so diabo Oman FM kwa na
me say the next person Chikata no I'm here to NDC Captain Chikata. Wow. Yes.
Why?
Because Captain Chikata ni
Onua 95.1.
Tienye. JJ Rawlings ne wofa ne Chikata. Anna time wa JJ diade no. Enam Captain Chikata nti. Na ontimi fa ne nsan kra nka Akufo-Addo. They make a tie hayo. It is said Akufo-Addo tie no sanam tie. No only JJ free pa ba no ka JJ amemo hu asem eche wo bia. Sana me pesa Ghana fo hu se memi to yi menye hypocrite. Me ye MPP ni mapa MPP fie na me free MPP ne wo MPP o mojam. Enso me dia mamuo ba ya mamuo ni nkoyi ne beba kai Professor Frimpong Boateng. Bebusa the question. Why now? Maybe sir Professor Frimpong Boateng question. Say am kache kojo se ko nya botrema me ne ene ye tutu na basa ne sere bebre. Yan kan kuro we mu. Media mamuo ba me na me company Akufo-Addo man ba. Sometimes kojo no omu amekura me ye say o igizia o say kokoye. But you can understand why he wasn't, because at that time no Adom FM morning show. And Adom FM morning show was a bit, so he couldn't have shown his face, which is understandable. Media, right from the word go on, I'm here, open, say, Charlie, a MPP, you man here. Media, me money buy ya, enkoyi. Man, trawan come and want to move. And ya kasa nkwanso na mekan wo radio ni TV show. If there is any person why your demonstration will chrome hard tears in my frame rantie, me ne kwayo. Me, Ernesto Yebua, Kojo, Oliver. One Saturday morning, we buy me show so. You free shows in my dear Quay. Kobisa Kojo, Bisamofa. You get to be a one crying all the way from Teshi, all the way to every ghetto in Accra. We went there.
With our own money.
Yes. It is that numbers now who fix the country, eh? I'm
Yeah.
Underground work. You we are me Kojo the yanka see your voice. You nam tiptoeing. And yet you don't know. Ni nyina no enye because of bibia o. Your mama no mama kapre. And then yet mika look. Emre bi by na Kojo captain, me captain to me kasama no because minim no. And me ka say minim no me anga sa kwa minim me ho, me makohunu captain. Eti captain betimi Kojo obi sika. And yaka na Kojo de ojin krofo sika, Kojo jin krofo sika. Woni me nem tie. I am tempted to believe say Kojo de na eyintwa to so. Woni me dia. If say the same brush na wo mudi penti captain for so many years and say na me be basin no. Wo matam the same brush. Na everybody wa jim crofo sika o. Mo mpanimfo mudi manim and this yo MPP mo mpanimfo mudi manim. Let anybody come out. There you go. Madai wo mo especially NDC. Julius Debra Juma me koya ni wo XYZ. Seb in producer. Boso me nine boso mi num de eke kan yen kan wasem. Amenwe me ho. Ma menwe me ho. Sika bai. Yetimi ka se no kwaji sika friend NDC wo. Na monimu ye hare. Na me de aban na aban ti sika ho di. Na ma ntimi anko sa aban no menene na tena sididie. Na ma anko pesika ho. Me ma me fremo pare besi na me ye so odwen ho odwen se mabodam. Fremo pare. Bronya du bia memo manwa misika da so de enko de bebreme. Sane ba de me nyini di.
Na se say de mabi.
Me sha sia kaseti o mo agya ba. Asum guso kaseti a. Na fe ye ko ha kwasiafo timi ko kase ana akwaji sika free mahama hona o ye campaign mama me kwaji sika free mahama ho. Ye ko fix the country demonstration takrade. Busa Oliver Baka Voma was say hotel ye koda ye be ho ne tuai. Eri me ni Oliver ye sere say ho na asoma ye. Sika ye de be kokura. Busa lawyer for
but monim say mo fix the nation country campaign. It says believe that it was sponsored by John Mahama.
John Mahama ni wo kapre me
hold on. Moji leaders no. Moji skebidi leaders no.
Me kwafriba. Me.
Oh, na say Moji skebidi. Who sponsored?
NDC mpanimfo bi. Obi no sponsor one city.
Mamu botom sika.
Me see ya botom sika.
T-shirt me na me print here. And on
me cost how much?
Mama Kasanjo. Me printy T-shirt. Hold on. Kwayo nkapi
no, because people still have doubts. Moji. No, and then you can clear the air on that. You can clear the air.
Mami focus what they forget captain for now. Fix the country. And go for you Frank USA. On a lady way. And no, it's okay. Kwame plus a bad boy, Kwame Kra. Me wana kwa me friend me say oh USA for chapter B of TPP. Omo person be boa fix the country demonstration. And omo ye you can say word remit. Omo ye no ma anyi sika no about $2,000 something. Me de ma kwa me kra. So won kipi. T-shirt omo print ye nyina kwa me kra de di a kire mo print yi. Sika ka ho nyina na wo kwa me kra ho. Ma nso mu one city say. With the exception of a yem panimfo a wo mu nim me a omo ye me namfo a me send the broadcast come say you guys should support her. Obo ha na wa send 1,000. Obo ha 2,000. Papa biti America, I think we hear about also. O hear papa so send this sika. Oni you can say common sense guy no. Abraham Bemoshi. Oni Abraham Bemoshi kasa ye. Me ka kire Abraham say me so scam captain e pani odi anim. On first ka no enkosi captain so. Or the see captain so na captain friend me say oh, omo discuss ya basi ya fanton su man krofo. Odi me dia bra me odi ene so ye dia bo ade command so obia odi animu bia no fato nsuo man krofo a won beba sika sign no de ba ye was 4,000 Ghana cedi 4,000 captain the 1,000 me 1,000 how many people na see dwamama ma obiska me boss Julius Debra time ye kwata kura the demonstration me kopa na chokura say 3,000 Ghana cedi na bada wuruma on support course wanya ma ye
Julius Debra
3,000 Ghana 3,000 Ghana me say yes obi say me ne kwadwo ko meeting bi anajo 1 And this in penny for some person but join fix the country. We stood our grounds, we said no, we won't let you join. And it'll be to our canquas, Yasem Kroma, and a free for Kojisi and a free for Mumunimska. Quafrifa. Number 2, MPP. MPP for a bar bemo. And sometimes I say, wait to me, to me, yes, I come out and check on a formula and chimney for you to Abuti Kroma. You don't know what you're about. You're sacrificing your life for the people. You're sacrificing your life for the people. And these people turn around foolishly. Now, my betona kwasia biatana a soldier or some munkoko did free for them because a free for what the hell? Mukroma. Only side of Minkan was that. You to Muyare. You to me, Yari and Wokoma. I am telling you.
Are you not the one hold on. President? No, are you I say you to me. I got so many Yari.
Afrifa, we like what you're doing in this for. They didn't like anything you were doing. Metia your mama one city crowd. What mama 1 city? Many 1 city free your mama. Ibrahim Mama Shiam won for a year. Asantijima, GRE, former boss. Ocean 1 year, Ibrahim Mama be respect Gumasum. See me before you leave. Mango Huno. I didn't see Ibrahim. Because I didn't see him. Till today, I've never seen Ibrahim Mama before.
That means himself is the country issues we about here.
What you call my Jimmy Kwana Obia Kojisika? Just because you can't do trims, Obia Kojisikati, that beard of Trim Obia Kojiska. Obia Kojiska, Mema Kojis.
Fix the country. Edu baby and a Pisika. Yadebema brass band. Ah, Bisokatechi. How both of us have to go into the bank.
Now this is penny for so ka to am kwasi for the teams Afrifa. Now one this for why na so am wansi. So Julius Abraham Misika, it is because na me year adwuma me monthly pay. So Julius Abraham Misika puduo bi a, it is because me call adwuma. What ya? Mo adwuma mu fear ya. Mu fear ya for by so mo person mo me year adwuma. From 2019 to 2020. Exika me bottle was a magin. Umfa ma me a me ma.
Simple.
I do my friend for the friend me kwatena si yes. Me say what is sika no so 1 cedi kura me ma. I know my value. Julius Zabra friend me sika me born no o chemu half. E bu ode ma me ntimi Jesus ka no. Me was sika na meji adom fm ene eye yi kura no. Na ye more than the meji Julius Zabra. Out of respect, genuine respect. Na me Jesus ka no. Now we tell Chrome and Quasia de Omu Pentu Obia black with political and a way to a Jessica and a way to a Jessica and a way to Jessica. Mukas Obiana motivated by money. You think that is what happens? Yeah, fix the country.
Fix the country. Let me tell you this. Edu baby, I fix the country. Miami fear hey. Ebinumo Eshasia woman because also at that time, no. Na me ba hanche eti omu free ye free smart TV so a ade echi a na ya betena Onua TV so on Onua FM na eko na edu ba bia team na ye nam no etoda sika ebidum de be fa car na ye den
ya ebotom sika o yes e mo even kofane no mu ye toda no mu sika
the we the train ye
kofane no mu ye
call get to no
okay,
the idea the buyer say we need to go to the ghettos. Yes, okay. So how do we do
FM 95.1.
Oh, why you doing ya check? Won't me catch them so do bus market you na. Men so my yache. Didn't me catch me do bus market you na. We so one so. E fa hane yakuisika. No so fa hane yakuisika. From Teshi ghetto to all the ghettos here in Accra. Sika udu hwa etoda say kakra bia akra say wuje mu to
yeah Ghana youth no politicians don't want to be dia go
ade ba ko say eti ase
obi a wo beba fight ya mu bia me say o ankasa be kun sa nipa
no de twen me ba
yes they will kill the person
ma me nka asem we
me starting media busa kwajo me say me starting media say obi say make one free from my office including me nuanu MPP for Samuel Kumene Samuel Kuti say Obeye NLE boss
no office
me hu ni da me
office way
Onua FM
National Lotteries office. What demonstration? Haven't you been to National Lotteries demonstration?
Koma youth. Me say me ne Kwame Frimpong ye adwuma 4 years for Happy FM. Let Kwame Frimpong come and tell anybody. Say me kwa Afrifa. Me sure ko obi wa say me kwajiska as a politician.
Now, boss na no tourism, Ghana tourism.
Kwasi Ajema ye me boss. Busa Kwasi Ajema. Kwasi Ajema. Na me ne Kwasi Ajema me na me work directly under Kwasi Ajema during the campaign. Kwasi Ajema ba ye de tourism ambassador. The first year de tourism ambassador omu wie be say me hu Kwasi Ajema.
And one friend say be jin no could.
No, but why must Kwasi Ajema call me to come for no?
As I say you were working to bring
the
party to power.
Yeah, win him.
Nti aba no mo nsan kwan ni nyawo.
Win him.
Uko opposition na benyiska.
Ya sha second okrum ha say.
Onua FM.
Ela kanta kwa jiweska. Kanta jiweska.
Mommy aso kwa di krom ha.
Ela me ka wo say.
Doc, why do you think everything must be about money? Why? Why have we made it in this country? Say everything. Why? Well, mu okay. Global. Mu okay there.
Ya sha say na me ka wo say. Politician bi a wo say me kwadwo smart wo ma me one city da. And I'm daring any politician.
You know they cannot do that. You know the why.
They
can't do that. They can't
do that.
They can never do that. Let me tell you. Politician be anywhere. Obe to me a now a bae. No. Captain, let's.
Doc, omode be mo monkolado.
Why not catch
answer Munko can't say, what's the only politician chairman dear Canadian and Akumia?
And Waka, who say no crack cake?
Not chair me half. I won't do my family anymore.
Young, yes, sure,
but the point is that here,
I don't want to get emotional about this.
You don't have to. 95.1.
The Ayami then they say, Miss Samuel won't come in 17 more. When I can have me. Me who come and once you. I love bad news say about me. Because the tear say hey. One say yeah, you start you say you come you nanti together and you ntemonte.
Yeah.
But one who say abua papu any hope say do you muntamati. Some say second to muntamadwa.
Oh, so they've come back.
They haven't come back. Many Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah ni
Enra I'm who say Avram ayi guy bako me boy bako wo fire hell on earth ni show so Abraham said na me kwa minim so de mayaka o Abraham said no odwen se makogi sika wo NDC for 82 years on mayaka me kwa minim medwen say be just because we don't talk Abraham
because you were on TV
yes 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 Enra na mete
someone was sad no etino yes we decided
to fix the country 1 year and you go 2 years in here. I say many activism here. Oye, sabi impredu so. Enya numdwo. Be a sika you puti energy to yanka see personal worker. E de breye no. What in a radio so 10 years.
Unya.
What in a radio so 10 years. Now pay yes. Radio pay yes.
What am I man typically?
Me call happy from XYZ. Me pay. Let's even assume say you are paid 10,000 Ghana.
10,000 this.
Let's even assume. A year say 120,000. 120,000 what to tell bill new we see then the obedi no abusu anyina free mu a year the sign abetimi asebi. You ever saw the half of crowd so say 60,000. So 60,000 times 10 years you say. 60,000 times 10 years you say.
6 million.
600,000. So materials in 10 years 600,000 Ghana cedi. Enti na mekwa akwaji obi sika kwa yedmo baby. What's that? Ewa bra 600,000 e bia se bin producer who sit down baako e ton 9 wi o profit crab 600,000. And I say I'm not going to do media and activism again because in Crawford now why you say wo kwa mo no. They don't value it.
FM 95.1.
Meanwhile, wo man o yere ni wabusuafo gu ho. Ombedidi
on that score no.
On that score be.
Oh, Chenya botre in kakakra. On that score say they don't value it and they do.
They don't
the youth of this country, no, they are very gullible. and very vulnerable to the old politicians.
Omonya gullible bia wo money jenkwase ade ekoso no ho.
We
ATM ka se makojonko. ATM ka se kojonko because I will get emotional about it. Your mama sponsor there ya.
What's ya me bisa ye nintina na.
And so tie. The youth of this country, they are looking for leadership. I'm telling you today.
They are not looking for leadership.
95.1.
One more support you na ya NDC for say.
The youth the youth of this country, whether some way NDC and I say MPP and I say CPP, no, it's irrelevant. The most important thing is that when we are youth, what are they looking for? They are looking for BB. The youth want to leave the old taste for a new taste. And they want to leave the old space to occupy a new space. What is the new space? Semi-real schooler, I must have a job to do. That is the new space.
They don't want no new space. Don't deceive yourself. Yeah, you never buy any against open new space. They don't want new space. The only reason these people are insulting me today is because they think that you were working for your mama and they will have the chance to come in as NDC. Even that, woman benefit so they are only angry because their party is not the one in power.
The fight for space, fight for space, you know. A son say we school now onye adwuma nyenti no. Oti hey no dey actually. Either the hay is coming from the MPP, it will not be analyzed. Either the hay is coming from the NDC, it will not be analyzed. But between you and I, we had a conviction. The conviction was that we needed a new path. We need to shake the foundation of leadership so that our leaders, you can't always have your way. If not for anything, school dying that and no one is here. There should be a paradigm shift. We need to move away from that. It's the youth of this country. No?
Onua FM 95.1.
What my dream no are divided. Divided in say one. NDC started with Veranda Boys. And not dogmatizing woman. And then the MPP also came with a young elephant. Which means you remember? I said have my young elephant certificate. We're bringing a dogmatizing into a certain fold. So what we need to do now, either the person is NDC or the youth is MPP. It's not too important. What can we do? Okay, the chetty in a hair, Nanibre Abri no, as a no party any you. And then Cofo feel sell no penny ye no. And Cofo body de body sitting in the Abreno. But Cecilia still also a catch us say I didn't know Kobiuma, or no as an individual, or Penasa but don't campaign mano. Because now I expect to say leadership. So the youth are looking for leadership, but they
looking for leadership here. Who don't deceive yourself.
Capito answer just one question, baby. Let's clear something. Let's clear something before. Let's clear something.
If we look back 7 years, I try say be yama youth way.
Don't get discouraged.
Oh please,
no, don't please, no, memo abamu. Senanado abamu ya. Come on, be president. Memo abamu say please, don't throw them away. Don't throw them away. Hey, yes, sir. When you are the end of cartoons, and you see,
this is what clear. So why?
It's not about clear. Prekese, me yere na catch him say betina radio so ma me nkasa ansem ni bi because it just remind her of pain. Emotionally. If I tell you the kind of things I was going through when I was leading these demonstrations, you will be shocked.
Don't go there.
You will be shocked.
With himself, for the first time, let me tell you this. Politicians, we sent our wives to the demonstration. Ask him. We told them that if you want to be a leader,
Satana me the theater award. The 4th August na
the theater. But not so
Oh really?
Yes. That is the pain. You see, people don't know.
But this is news. We say
it was a decision that come with your wife. That day, next any question Okatakyie about demonstration no. Then they hear the hospital and yeah demonstration na ye ni abena obey me no question what no be no ba no beka. And it's okay. Na question be fine. Question you be fine. Na hear that theater ye twa ne yam. What I say? Basically me read me nchen. Ye can say wa girl, one for girl and ba we a bad leader. Ask him. And I insisted on that if the old leaders will keep their family, now we will not do that.
Until your wife joined in there.
Yes, Musano.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Captain's wife was part of the. In fact, meetings in Yadina. I bought one. I do bear
two. Yaden Medeneko. We should die. You see, so
Charlie, is it doc?
Me baby sir question me with regards to the galamsey issue, you know. What a quick one, but angle be na medefa, which has to do with the media. Now, because he's also a media person, no on kind of side of it, no corner for
spending more than 5 minutes. So
yeah, on that particular no the issue. You can spend now. The question might look stupid or whatever, but I still have to ask. Watching Paula Dumotri on Good Evening Ghana, I will raise this galamsey issue. Yeah, Professor Frimpong watching the abaya or incriminating Grofobi, some more woman. There is this particular point he stressed on. Journalists be a oku meeti omo ewo Forest Hotel ewo Dodua. Or defend Kojo Opon Kromano. Now I say all can be ama Kojo Opon Kromano. Or can say even Kojo Opon Kroma will not meet the journalist and will tell them when you go, the agenda is do this, do this, do this. We talk with codes to the journalists. The journalists they talk to them. Hard talk and as a current affairs. Yeah, the codes being a kasa chemo. And as current affairs or hard talk presenters, Amoti Menim has said, is that how the information minister talks to you to set an agenda for the nation? That is the question.
Sometimes you see, hold on. Sometimes we have a problem.
Kojo,
yes.
No.
There is this statement to be a Omeki here some time ago, which they lump all of us together. Say Omuso can say, yes, that a plan with media, general media for say Wamumeya agenda and tia a year Jomama, a Namikaho, now a Poladmoche count, back on Jonathan. Kwajon himself right from 2016 BC.
Nobody mentioned your name.
No, I'm not saying he said, but when you say that, then everybody lump everywhere. Oh, Captain Krase. Hold on. Captain Krase.
I see his voice from.
I said, yeah, Captain Koshia baby. Many Captain Koshia baby. Above all, you start to fix the country. Many Captain Koshia baby. Many Captain Copen Mubia. Many Captain Koshia will be.
The point is,
but do they set agendas for you people that won't in there? One can say.
Hold on. You will be a friend off the record conversations.
What I say?
So you are setting group.
We are baby. Seven previous. Obi ote microphone chibiano. Obi ote. Obi ote microphone chibiano.
That's right.
On ton toes. On ton Jenny. On ton Maire. Open information. And waka. Information. No. A bill government hopa. Now this is a case where government can meet people. And what government wants, depending on your conviction. If you think you want to go on with that agenda, you can go on with that agenda. And then the government hold the press conference, a ministry, or champion it, course we, set agenda, every be agenda setting, which there is nothing wrong with it. When it comes to policy formulation, anywhere in the world, government said they release information, my media say, mon confess information when found to public. Now, mon share the reaction of the public. Then government will take the reaction of the public, factor it into the policy making before the final documentation comes out. So there is nothing wrong with government meeting media guys to tell them what the government thinks he wants to do. There is nothing wrong anywhere in the world. Off the record conversations happen in White House. Off the record conversation happens in Buckingham. Off the record conversation happen everywhere in the world. Sana okofa your friends say and go for ya. The terrorists. Terrorists need to send a message across. Ebo omutimi targeting journalists phobia, even to the extent of kidnapping them. take them to their base, tell them what they want to do, so that the journalists will come out there and put the information out. Any problem? It's a what yes, and you make and you can it's got my information. Why won't you want it?
Okay.
But so be back kwa say, ya kwashe baby. Na government ama monkonko say way, monko prophet the time ka say captain koma me breno. Professor Frempong Boateng eyo de bayi, Opa Kobusa prof, Kobusa prof.
Let me talk about the
I was one of the first media guys of Frey to the office as the minister. Some information we are more and more discussing. Some information he has been on his decks for more than 4 or 5 years. Professor Frempong Boateng framed me to the office. It can be a prof say. I then some information and then whatever.
The issue Professor Frempong Boateng. The issue of coding. Me, I've not had the time to listen to that guy called Paul Adumoche. And what he said.
You can't use that expression. That guy.
No, that guy.
Well, he's a senior journalist.
That man of Galilee. The Bible said, the Bible referred to Jesus, that man of Galilee. That guy.
You are just throwing your hands like that with that guy.
Am I swimming? That guy, I have not had the time to listen to him.
Capito.
But you see,
a senior journalist.
Sir, Obi Beka say, Obi Dinkrophobia koshe baby.
Yeah.
And why indoctrinate you to go out there and destroy somebody? One, I disagree.
Oh, now also can you?
Change
the record. What can be the master problem?
And that issue
because who can say yes, say agenda.
The only thing in this country, and they say, if there are certain things you don't know, you don't tout your opinion on it. Because that time when senior journalists were called, some were not called.
Oh, so you were the forest?
No, I am not talking about
okay.
When senior journalists were called, some were not called.
It's okay.
It's okay.
What come and Crawford the Yasam?
Authority. Nana Sasam Namekan, me boy, Sankamanka. Uncle Quote. Obia, your body doing some your Uncle Quote. Hey, I know what I'm talking about. Do I look like a zombie?
Onua FM 95.1.
If I say something, no, you were not there. That time, you know, the people they called, they were calling them senior journalists. Maybe that time the MPP didn't see you as a senior journalist.
It's okay, it's your own problem.
Well, it's their own problem, not me. Coding bear.
They speak to you in quotes. Say destroy Kofi today when you go. And imagine John Mahama so Kwame, so they can say code destroy. Destroy Kwame. Destroy Kwame.
Do I look like a fool to you?
That's how
say Obi betina ho. Mo afra me ko Afrifa. Ko asumasi wo. No,
but most journalists are doing that. Journalists are doing that. They are doing that. Most journalists are.
The question no bisa any year. Who you that question no bisa no. What say?
Paul
Adumoche say?
In trying to defend Kojo Oppong Nkrumah, or can say
on this current
Kojo on this Galamsey issue, Kojo Oppong Nkrumah will never call journalists and summon them together, but they speak to them in quotes. Okay. And I'm giving more senior journalists, I'm here, more hard talks and current affairs issues. Okay. I'm asking you, say, do you people meet somewhere? Do they give you quotes?
The way you are asking the question as if you were a carpenter, with all apologies.
Oh, why?
How many years have you done this job?
No, but
for 22 years. I've done this job for 22 years.
So don't refer to us as senior journalists.
I said hard talk senior journalists. You do Nancy and me put something political on my show. Into hard talk senior journalists.
He should be the best person. He should be the best person to defend and explain that. Because me, South Forest Hotel, Manko Hobi. Ketecheti, Minuin, Wanko Forest Hotel Hobi.
Because
Yen Yemi, Yanko Forest Hotel. Anko Jigalam says,
Evan Alcoy.
Or beside Forest Hotel. Say you call Forest Hotel.
Waka away, Captain Waka away, problem Libya.
Yeah. No, me, I'll tell you the plain truth. Make one. Where would I go?
Agenda
2016. Now 2016.
Now 2016, one campaign am your mama. I'm a Kufado. So what I say?
See,
even 2016, you captain, you did not campaign for Kufado.
you see, from 2013 up to 2016, go check all the Fabewaso records.
95.1.
If you don't know, you ask.
No, but you were doing Fabewaso on corruption issues based on a Auditor General's report.
That is not correct. Let me give you.
So when you say
Auditor General's report was once a week, if you don't know,
campaign on record. Did you campaign for Kufado in 2016?
Sir,
Campaign for Kufado.
San Juan.
Me busao.
You see, when you are down there, when you are under a bridge, because of concrete and kum, you think you are hearing everything.
You
see, when you are loud on, very loud on the campaign platform, it doesn't make you the most campaigner. What haven't I said? I don't want even to go there. Sir, and Kwalanka think fa speakers a good cast ye de crashing and just one campaign.
Onua FM.
Why you first why when election and you didn't want to
say what's the Muna Mode Jones or Uncle Manu?
I would have fair not to change. But near my carry, you know. It's a code in Nasamna Wokan. Whoever is saying, I will galam say asemo. So I say 4 years ago, and 3 years ago.
But is it true they speak to you in codes that today?
I know. Speaking to me in codes.
Code the band will be no bekasa. If somebody want to tell you that go and say this, they will be straightforward and tell you go and say this. You think politicians, those guys, they call themselves politicians, they are not fools. So. If they want you to go and say,
and the dog come at the end,
hey, I was here high on near 95.1 city. Almost 5 more minutes to 5 now. Yeah, the Galamsey issue with regards to near Professor Frimpong watching Eddie Abetuma implicating a lot of these MPP ministers nominee in any other jurisdiction. And then breaking news says here say so and so has resigned, so and so has done this. So but Ghana had it, never will it happen. Yansha say also you have something at here, Professor Frimpong wanting. Now why now?
You see, also that means Udi can prepare.
Oh, okay. Why now? Why? You see, well, I don't Professor Frimpong now.
Media chopper, ebia me bufu ya go emotional. So me to my menu kakra. I think I have to apologize to them. Just that it sometimes get a bit emotional.
Onua FM 95.1.
Good intentions. Me ba media mu. Doc. With the I believe in. I never at any point came to media with the intention say, "Me say Kwame Frimpong no yem producer." I thought I don't know who bro say me say wunya ma omo maybe be a bit bi anam twa. Me nkwaji wo bia sika.
Tina you speak for
me nkwaji wo bia sika.
I know.
My former boss Julius of Frem call officer was, "Oh, you are very passionate about Ghana issues." It's true, Sanam tie. And then maybe omo anka man bonte me kan okreso omo ma me wan see the kurada. Omo nka. Omunka. But it's okay, we will leave it as such. Because you be a sir, yes, you could boy journalist for no, Niamoma agenda. I mean, I read them too.
Oh, say, yeah, so we agenda and Sakwa. Yena Sanquan, Yena,
and quite by ya
20,000. Yeah, the mamma.
What's our Dr. Prekese? Who have you?
Oh. Not yet 20,000. Oh, it's a capital. Only more guy be or 20.
Debbie, where we are.
Presenters. Met me about presenters by 5. And I did American here. Gami boy,
I'm going to say 20,000.
And 20,000.
Why are we so cheap?
20,000.
Why are you believing him and veering towards?
No, but what I'm saying
is, ask him whether it's not true.
Hold on. Maybe I don't know.
Why do you want to use him as?
I don't know.
But Obi Aji, I wouldn't.
20,000.
But you say you don't know.
Minim.
You're there, young Kasa.
Enrichi, me wo ho na menua ba ko frɛ me. Say Professor Frimpong Boateng said, "Remesiano, e woni fie." Ye didn't come up with kakra no say, "Oh, Enrich."
I was fresh.
And
Tuesday.
And Tuesday. When run a holiday.
No. So I'm talking about Saturday.
Okay.
I sat down. People said, "Why should I go and meet you?"
Onua FM
In the first place, it's a document. Document. I was wanting data. And as I hear question will be me question Professor Frimpong Boateng on the office about 4 years ago. One city could have many free. Some information we may only be doing some common. But you see, the economic booster Professor Frimpong Boateng said, "Why now?"
Mm-hmm.
In 2012, January,
That's right.
Martin A.B.K. Amidu was the Attorney General for Professor Mills. Sometimes integrity matters a lot, a great deal. Martin A.B.K. Amidu say, "Ote Professor Mills abaimu. Demo wahunu corruption bi a ekoso wo aban mu. E dey no ye.
Or resigning.
Ano ye dey. No be kan adwen. O ma Ghana fo hu yi.
Onua
Professor
FM
Frimpong Boateng watch now
95.1.
1 year in the Kufuor government as minister. Yes, say you show when you what now 2 years as minister. Yes, say you show when you what now 3 years as minister. Yes, say you show when you what now 4 years as minister. Yes, say you show when you 5 years, 6 years when you and also you have some information in your day. Yes, say Ghana ensure awie. What's this information you crown Ghana for fanya day? What na see happen you? We are cardiologist with the greatest of respect to him and his field. Wouldn't him a year ensure your senwa. A soon swear a de Ghana for. What na sim fiancia? In fianso money. What's this information we? Ya fanya day. And I will try and see about appointed was the next minister. Now, man, and who you are not there. Because so you'll be a Upasa Obua Ghana, save Ghana. The first year, the second year, the third year, the fourth year. You knew the people perpetrating this crime to the state. Some information when the news in the area. Why they name Sakufa the Bushian for and they disable anyway. Who doesn't know? Why name him? From Asofo, Ekosia Hemfo. From journalists, Ekosi Womo the last people. Who does not know that the Kufuor in the Bushian for time where Kufuor any MPP for a call
Onua FM
your friend
95.1.
Asante Reje. So Muko share him for. What called the wound to me the chili? What the MPP penny for me the chili? One free one or my henny, a friend was everybody. Now over podcast here, Jimmy Anna. Namsimi Radia Samoa. Was an upper papa ya, Wabakachi, see in Yagalamsi. Galamse for you soon, you know, did what ye. I'm saying, Chroma penny for some hard you. One wire mine Henenoa. Sabion Preduas, I bet me a row in any Macacha and Zera. War bag Galamse for any do what you one co. One cat. Every fan no poor, 1 yenti. Wabakan Makwakoka. Watchana, my criteria enemies for myself. What behind himself, Chroma penny for a woman more. Woman, I was a Kufuor in the bush for you to Galamsi. Meko Achima Krufu. Sanya for Achima Krufu.
95.1.
Areho. One nam quine now walk on the main road. Galamse ni just a do so me 2 quine say. A peja quine to and no more 2. Obia hunu. IGP Chrome, Nikro Machi, IGP. Dampare. Nikro Galamse no, I just see and Achem Nikro Efie Ne Fie Kruno. Yanti tempo and yetu. Your information in Bramiam Hendim, Semina de Mengo Cade. Menka dear. Cronin pen in phone cano correct. I saw phone cano correct. I am phone cano correct. I saw phone you 2 galam say new year sika ya de mono. And yan one or the elders was sorry the mono. And yan one and Crawford the continental elders was sorry the mono. Eti why name him Kufuor in the bush of phone you 2 galam so kuma. Eti Professor Frimpong Boateng no expose ben the woman.
Don't you think, sir, he feels the ne bad down and the ban issue, you know, so may bad down here, may be ambra down, may bad down, and you be ambra down. That is why it has got into
the bad Jojo, yes, to galam say nibi. Na ye kan ho asem. Adan one stopping no.
Say me back down there, you down.
So you see, the intention matters a lot. That's why when you go to court, they talk about mens rea and actus reus. We don't just talk about the action. Professor Frimpong what in the krataba. You hear the intent of kratano and yabano. Is it to save the people? If to save the people, me say for the last about 4 years ago or 3 years ago, Professor Frimpong what framed me to the office. I'll cast information on this matter. How come have you sat down? Why do you minister we? Now, Kratana was trouble with your pon cromana. I want to know the intent of a young letter in that krata.
What was the intent?
So was
the intentions.
First, now me know your argument. Now you're my colleague. That is one. Note that down. And then you're my colleague. It's my address. So ask me back. 2. Note that down.
Me 4th month.
Oh yeah, no say. What do you go? Cause I didn't say munna udi no. Na abro so abe 2 years na ma be epe.
Abro yabani.
Abro. So what is the intent? Me question me busane say. Why now? Why now? Why? If you say you need to come me say agalam say nsemu. I me twa kufa do ada pa twa no ebesi ne.
Why now? Probably ma killing the presidential ambition.
You see, so the intent of that bringing the letter out. Because what now, Maimu? I read somebody say, and it will take so long for us to recover from this nonsense that has gone on for. When to me and the moral turpitude say, yes, you know, Ober resign. No about 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago. What name were the minister yam for Swabenya when you Tom? Actually, train one was a memo and the emfrel still. So, I fed you and you do yenina. Why? I don't come up for young kind of question.
Let me ask this. Letter not the my president, you know, or the call Jubilee House.
Or was it 2 years ago? What do you call Jubilee House? When you so be released, you call Jubilee House. And we'll be our letter called Jubilee House for 2 years. Now we're trying the air. I'm sorry, you best use one cash, Oma. 1 month.
Now they are called 2 years if they would do something.
1 month. Then 1 farmer.
Onua FM 95.1.
I don't know about that 2 years.
Oh, according to him,
Was it 2 years? Was it 2 years?
Okay. According to him,
and I may say, me or friend me call office.
It's more than according
in
to him.
2019 also. I can't remember exactly when. So I know this information long ago.
Now then was
That's right.
Out and
Because I didn't have the information.
One farmer.
Also, the man one farmer.
You see, I dare back on the say.
I acquire your friends say. Acquire Kokoya Ome Bondi. Akwa wusi so friend me kwatena ne fie so omo nyina boni obi aba so kind of story different Erifa wona koka we nsu information ni ma akwa wusi eti for Professor Frimpong what no kwasa information no de yede no wona aye minister and am say Martin Ebika amedu o person wo dwene Ghana ho no mpe kro no nti oti ya mamuo mo ya so ko meeting kwa kwa say Professor
95.1
and mo pamo no say awia no what the other what's in them for 1 year? What's number 2? What's number 3? What's number 4?
5.
What's number 5? What's number 6? 7 money. 7 money. 7.
When the leaky are there though?
One leaky. Obiaka se me intercept this. I'm journalist for so and I'm intercepted document. Me na dey am ko gina email ni mu ana. What be natural document?
Oh, but if somebody is privy to some information, how would you know? How would you know?
You see, Adeba question shared so they say, it's not how old an information is.
I love that.
But how important the information is.
Timing is very important.
No, Toboase.
Some information, me say I find you. When you me patch me want some go. And then come back about Mahama.
Crime has no expiry.
Let me make
it's not about expiry.
Let me say something.
It's about the magnitude of the
let me say something. Let me say something and leave. One American president was shot. They found the information somebody had kept 8 years after the death of that president, after the assassination of the said president. When we use information, no, I could see the 16th year, and some more identify the assassinators of JFK. Okay? It's information be what a bet check. But chena challenge information na say. But Professor Frimpong Boateng no dear may what just a little problem we want to say. You see, when you have information
95.1
and you have access, we call it accessible information when it comes to security communication. That time he had access to the president and he had the information. It's no war and someone or person okay. And now a war a seven ankasa so baby couldn't say the seven ko. Obi angle so say papa no bia or kwa obi man kwan. Why would somebody stop him?
Cabinet minister.
I know, I'm only asking. Why would somebody stop him from seeing the president?
So you resign.
Why would somebody decide that this particular person will not allow him to see your
So you resign.
Why would he also remain? That after all this, then
you still stay.
Okay, watch this.
Onua
When you do
95.1.
communication, security communication, there are certain info that needs to be released at a bad time.
At a bad time.
Yes. And certain information that needs to be released at a very good time.
And which time are we? Is it bad time or good time?
This is a bad time. It is bad because the party he belongs to is battling with a lot of economic issues. So it's a bad time.
No, releasing the election year next year, so I say,
No.
and also year west.
Say,
Oh, we're betting me a trouble next year.
Whoa, fan of political
Oh, really?
party.
Except
now.
that NDC communication in your serious into about 2 days.
Yeah?
Ga NDC for so musumu.
No,
pa.
if-
Oh, and
Listen,
you
no, listen.
that I'm a body aqua charge. So
As I'm not getting chickens is here.
eh,
When you do security communication, this the magnitude of what he said.
Onua FM
Like he rightly put it.
95.1.
A bit to be a cause damage.
to the MPP.
Yes, but watch this. Information, no, so one a G information, no. Any statement now about Montana Moabai, no. What Okatakyie is saying is not a hearsay. It is a Okatakyie putting this on paper. Say, Achim Hoyo Okoye. Ye tu galam say wo.
Achimo Krofufu.
Ordinary ko hu yo.
Make
Is it hearsay? This is not hearsay.
CIGP Chrome.
Marching.
IGP Chrome to Galam.
Marching ya sumaye. At the drone ko chebi. Ko twa himfie twa galam say site ni nyina. Enye hearsay. So sometimes somebody might do a wrong thing by releasing a good information at a bad time. But your response will exonerate the person
Onua
and make the
FM
information more credible.
95.1.
Well,
Well, you Konene na me be discuss. Yeah, doc, when him say yeah, you ade ba question ma reho. On say you born political chess.
Is it Adani chess?
I had any political chess. Oh, when a good for the bush and the two abe political debate, and the conversation is not because we genuinely think that Ghana deserves better with this water. I swear to God. So conversation, media it is about political capital. NDC is not who doing to the conversation because they genuinely think that Ghana deserves better. And I know Yana Jomama Koka say, NDC for Omo Pamo Galamse for no, Omushara no target NDC for no Pamo Omunina. So Jomama would you to send NDC for to Galamse any big and MPP Abe Pamo. Which you know perfectly say.
Onua
Hayati.
FM 95.1.
Wamu ba dede ya wamu ye nyina enko si hwe wonim de ntia ama information Ghana ha na yete no galamsey na ye tu ni nyina benefit omu nyina obi ya di bi
Both MPP and DC.
obi anya ahemfu di bi
Onua
asofo
FM
di bi
95.1.
politicians di bi ye nipa bonefo by nature. We Ghanaians we are not and can Japan can we are naturally born bad. When him say me no work say ya watching me ye expose be on my show for the records. Mo ye dede no. Chinese company be boni a wo din wo nwura mu no mo ye mbehye. It's a big game of political chess. Na kufu ade na busua na hwan and they say ya can media no. Tama ye dede. There is a company called Ghana Manganese. Me de ni company di na to so no. But watchina wo mu hia me. Na boni a wo mu di no wo ye mbehye. Omushe yengulam hobani omudi no yembesho. Galam say one so mu jai ne de. No ma jai ne chira.
Galam say they say enjai.
Enjai.
Wo yi anu free wa.
There's only one plan to stop.
Sika Akufo-Addo so okwa kwohwehwe. E free china. On for the records. No me show so. When him say me kura 6 companies, foreign companies, to the tune of $500 million. Just 6 companies. Omo invaded tax ukruma.
Oh, really?
Yes, $500 million taxes. Company 6. So imagine if you double it. Companies 10. 20
Omo foreign companies.
Omo foreign companies.
And
Chinese
they are not
companies.
paying tax in this country.
Ghana
for how many years?
Ghana for consultants na abua wamo amu invaded tax to the tune of $500 million. $1 billion. Yes.
The Ghana Revenue Authority.
Ghana Revenue Authority. Watchina many woman nyina be wuku.
Omo yede.
Me say wamo undercate 6 companies, to the tune of $500 million. And omo invaded tax okruma. And so Akufo-Addo kopɛ $3 billion. $3 billion. So if 6 companies are invaded tax to the tune of $500 million, one company in 1 year, in 5 years, we invaded tax $100 million. In one company, just one.
And if they have to pay and even their penalties
They
and all that.
say one company.
And then a telecommunication
Ochina. Document in here. Ochina. One company pay. We invaded tax in 5 years to the tune of $100 million.
Wow.
GRA away. Omonya away the end watching. I'm no mood in Kobo.
GRA away.
Yes. Sa company na ni sister company. Was shemura mu aboni awodie no. Me si kro we mu. Oh me ba ye no me share for the records. Utie show ni dia.
95.1.
Na enye for sa MPP NDC 7 no. I was going to review issues until say fucking boy out here America. I didn't talk about Yeremia. Divert him attention.
But you don't say that in on
I mean, they're talking
on radio.
Yeah, fantastic. And my apologize. My chair free. So if reach for the records, the entire document in be it's a document in Saka. Ya truck transfer man. Now you see, me no mu we are. Sa consultancy firm no accountancy firm no wo boa ma Chinese companies we edis aboni we. Obia mebo obia di one after the other. Accountancy firm amudi boni amoye Ghana for na moboa China for emomutimi wi yesika to this tune and magnitude. Obia mebo ni di one after the other.
Then you have to beef up your security.
Oh we see. Wallahi.
Onua FM 95.1.
Yewu yemfa Thomason since anymore. Yewu yekwo. Omo mbaba trust will be worse than this. Eti dede no aye na professor me say information wo professor from Boatia diom nyina enye news. Expose bi anim. Ye nyina anim deda Akufo-Addo na busuafo na edi boni.
Omo anu mutu.
Womo na etu galamse no. One ne nam fofo agya womo bua no obua no mane kam o support the campaign with money a. Oba no oni wi o se kongura mu okorhwe o de. Anu wo twangura ni bia ma na se osim na tusa. Eja woni ni nuanom no seka mhu ye economy no said ye tie ese kwa mutimi biem seka wo Dr. Prekese ye ma $1 million contract bia anka bia obeye na enkrofo boys edi wachie anya bia di na ka ye biem ma contractor we so anya bia be $5 million omo de omo nya ne sa Akufo-Addo ni nuanom ketua bi nipa be 15 10 bi ana omo chadie soro no omo chadi papa omo jigu omo akansum eto omo bu Akufo-Addo ma wo campaign na sika won nsem no enam so wonya bi ma omo wo soro aniti ene oba ya so ko register a mining company tisi ngura nim ko hwe ode eto obia ya we Professor from Paul Boatin from day one Okatakyie office no ya we from a year first year second year
could not stop them because they are here.
If you could not stop them you should release the information early. And resign. For the records, you made
time when I was so live.
Oh, 8 p.m. sharp.
Okatakyie Afrifa
Facebook. Yes. In 2017 alone. Just a gist of it. In 2017 alone, company way invaded tax to the tune of about let me tell. Okay, 2017. Company way declare say on your net profit. Net profit after tax. Memo company the answer. Net profit after tax. Company is on your 850,748 Ghana cedi.
850,000.
Sana company niko kind net profit after tax.
But one of the
net profit before tax. Tienio. Net profit before tax. Company is on your 992,594 in 2017. Now, Yanko had the original numbers are in 2017. Net and after and before tax. When him say o declare say net profit before tax, o declare so 900 and something thousand. In actual fact, on 29,787,716 Ghana cedi. So on 30 million Ghana cedi profit
like that.
But Okatakyie GRA say on 960 something thousand. Less than 1 million we declare. Meanwhile, on almost 30 million Ghana cedi. Now, after tax, Okatakyie almost on 800,000. In actual fact, on 27 million after tax. Ochana yebe money na. For 5 years, your company be out to what? Tito. And you see me, the development of the nation here, me. And yes, I'm with na more yen na we score.
But GRA bet me software be GRA
for na gasa
to get the right
GRA hold on GRA for so me no omo nyina wasem omo de software bi aba omo pilot now almost started with China more ne other big companies.
Yes.
So more pilot.
Yes.
GRA pilot, you know, almost realize so almost revenue a shooting up from just these few companies. About 10 times the revenue they get from them.
That's right.
When him say GRA penimphobia so mo buama software ne kwa ni mo no. Besi na almost omo munye mane because Sagana Benyeska. Na omo ho akere omo de ene omo mpene software ne ba
so that they can under declare.
Say adwuma ni say wo chena ye
so they can under declare.
Say adwuma no me say GRA mpanifo ne ka ho ye say adwuma no.
Hey, Ghana Beni.
Oh, yes. Obi edi ne de. Sa company ya make us we invade tax. This very one.
Yes.
The sister company. O hyenwura mu a wo tu say hem. Ne nkrofo na frame ye. Workers na wo ho ni bi. Ana frame say boni nkrofo ni di.
Wow.
Yes.
As we pictures.
Watching a Ghana ha, yet ya Ghana security. Oh, watching a bedroom come be neat for the record. Be obi anwa.
Yeah, was for passing through. Your friend Okatakyie.
We adwuma we ya. Ejasa ha koye. Me second home here. Me de figures ni nyina beba. Na ya angasi ya shara.
The following week.
Ya bia mu ni.
Next week Tuesday.
Aye.
I think next week Monday is a holiday, Anna.
Yeah, first 6 companies.
I think that May Day, no. Next week Monday.
Been following.
Okay.
Yeah, first 6 companies.
Okay.
6 companies in Ghana to the tune of 500 million.
Onua FM.
Now one company. Yeah, found one after the other. One after the other. Yeah, we are accountancy firm now. We more Chinese companies we. I'm one with the dream make a task. So accountancy firm will be a beginning there. Obia.
Yes. Wow. Nesi ye no my nana.
And I be so mine penifo na tisu ne chomu di na se for ne yede.
Okay, mu che di DS ye.
Eti ne ye buy ye from Happy FM days. Ye preach say corruption ye war my way mu. E ye two things na the corruption ba. Greed and need. Tienio. O my no corruption dey wo mu no. There is too much in this country for everybody's need.
Anger will be a dreamy.
But there is not enough for the greed of the 1% few. To say for the nebution for. Now what say MPP party no ama. Is there okay say o defend party kwa na kwa ye bibio ho na nkrofo twabo. Then also do party no the principles and the ideals of the party that made our fathers stand for them and the man kwa man say no. And there is a fact. It is a kufa ni nuanom ne be hang o mama party na gina ye be hang. It needs to be hanged. If so, Okatakyie say you put your presidency on the line. Presidency on the line, any. And the issue a mango juice. Obian kanokre.
Obian kanokre.
Messi him for asofo politicians in NDC for politicians and kanokre be to galam say. Abetra ho na ye and ye see ni see. Doc me so nko na anwe ho.
You better say. Okatakyie Kwame Afrifa and I would tenega. Won't you only a cabin teller?
Onua FM.
Okay.
Onua want to share the one party share.
Yeah.
Hey, go now beside be na me come answer.
Oh, yeah, you see a time.
Oh, maybe one beside myself. What do you want me
Maybe.
Be a microphone.
Maybe.
Me say, oh, beside some menchia Kevin Taylor. The American United say you want to show the attention of the youth. Onshia dia kakra.
Oh no, but when you listen to the Kevin, I'm telling you.
See,
now
no,
he is.
Oh, you see,
I think
Kevin is an immature version of me. When you get emotional about Ghanaian issues, Kwasia, Abua, Jimmy, but when you have your massive information, they chairman for Onua. Unya time because information will break it down. Now, just like last time when we were discussing Ghana card. No worker say, wow, Obeka say Ghana card, when he change food, biano, oya kwasia. Wow, Obeka say Ghana card, and when he change interchange, biano. Let me say, okay, hold on. Just a simple information about Ghana card. Ghana card no crown there. It's nothing. A card can say where you want chip with that so. Nemo me information. Some information, the entry of my Ghana, yenti me enquire anymore, you 2 1 step and near but 10. It's because we don't have data of our people. We don't have data of people entering. So bibia the guesswork na ye.
Even the actual population of the
population census or more born into no more inflating. But if we have data on Ghana card, why are Ghana card and your Ghana and MIU, ECOWAS card from Nigeria, Benin, Togo, Ghana, Burkina Faso, Cote d'Ivoire, you'll be across a card. Edientia, one, Opesa Obo food security. Some man for a common sea to say it a tray. We hear a yes data on Ghana card. No. Now, what you can say, okay, you call a Sankregua, you call body, you bought your cockalo, Brunu Kruma, and the Padudo say in a year queer ho. Ombe here fertilizer do say. And the Padudo say in a year carpenters who are Santiago. Ombe here fertilizer do say. And you only information, you can't do it. So, person we interchange. I can tell us interchange you need information about what I say. In the last 10 years, a nipple 12 free crime. A year and some woman in Potamu more. Na card do a year register with DWEN. And Sakas in your say baby now or more residents will pokwase and in Sawam. Now see a plania. Ye mere quanimu in 5 lanes because the migration, a honor echo. We need data and information. You cannot do it. Obi koka say security Ghana card hu here na security na hu here security near day osha American movie see akasa American movie obi akodi bone obi akodi ewu say police ni ya okoshuti ma adwoi na nke yeva say nipa enhu no na emom no yekoye na ye scene ho no a ye peke ni fingerprint bi now because ye ni one centralized database inti o peke fingerprint nko wontimi fa anya hwe. But yet, me Ghana for nyina fingerprint into one centralized database. Opeke fingerprint on the scene. You match it to the database, and then you can know. So security won't be here. Ghana card. In fact, you're judging information. Where me you Kevin. These are things who Google. You will get these informations. Opesa woka say every year be a DVL. You can DVL. You can passport. You can birth and death registry. Who could do some institutions? EBR. The same Mumamidi, O Papadi, O Wafadi, Wawudi, O biometric, O people, near some information in their good DBL. You are near the same information in their good a year better than that. You are near the same information in their good a year a passport. This is a case where your Ghana card need was centralized a year one system of information. Udu DVL no one saw about Ghana card number. Omu system ni no matching. So Ghana doesn't need to always spend a lot of money to do that. Sika yedema DVL. Sika yedema passport. Si enya Ghana card new year says can go into development. Every 4 years be isiba electoral commission. Also information. But if there is Ghana card and we keep giving the Ghana card from a year on source, there is no way isi unhunu 18 years every 4 years. So we don't need to spend several millions of dollars to do registration. So if Minuano opese or ye journalism, and ya akachu journalism, and ya editing of documents, na aba betna o. Opeso ye journalism dia mesere no. Baby I would do when ya attention of the NDC youth, menka Ghanaian youth, because kwasiani abuade a comma in favor of NDC for no mutie. But Ghana youth no ankasa esi e boa wo mo, e mo ma dwen ni mu bie, wo chena o matimi compete on the international scene no. Mesere ne se kwasia aboa no. Onsua de kakra bi nka ho. Me ma ye bi pen. I've become emotional about Ghanaian issues. Na wunya ansua de a, okwo anim kakra na wo se enya de bia na de emotion. On say de mo discuss about Sika Ekojin when this senior people. You saw how I got emotional about it. But wunya ansua de kwa che kakra bi, you realize that it's not everything we discuss with emotions. And also obua youth no. You to in so be say obi o madwenem. Wo china wo matimi aba be ye sabi ompani. Why do you sit them down for 5 hours na kwasia abua Jimmy kwasia abua? You don't do that. And on this note, I would like to apologize. Me emotional about issues kakra. Me to ma wo mo aja o maja. So I apologize unreservedly. No. Because no. These are things I don't want it.
Yes.
I don't want it to be a part of me anymore.
Yes.
What do I say? Yes, I don't want it to be a part of me anymore.
Yes, all right. Oh, so while we emotional, I was signaling you, but then still you were charging up. Then you want to apologize.
95.1.
Okay, me as I give go by your numbers here 0556 692 445. I hope I got it right. 0277 11 44 22 0277 11 44 22 and 0556 692 445 0556 692 445. Thank you. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Prekese.
Yes, sir. We didn't maybe Efie.
William, you Princess.
Yeah, Willie, yeah, you.
So, the captain said, Ghana, any though.
Oh, I don't know, Gasa.
Oh, Ghana, you forgot to say Ghana, baby, you can because you don't want to, because you some part of that, you understand? If you open your margin now, very difficult. So, very difficult. Your mind ain't take it from me.
All right, yeah, that's it. Hello,
good evening, Prekese.
Yes, sir.
Mediano Kwakusana in the Cafe Abunabodon.
Yeah, Kwaku you.
Okay, never cancel. Then you have to say, any of my farm or your TV, you come live, Facebook.
95.1.
Okay, wait. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, we didn't maybe Efie.
But you're very farming, the Cafe Ashana.
Yeah, Kwame at you.
If I told the 3 days, I'm wife free, a Takwa Bogos, and I'm a Cosell, you want to the Bananti. Masa chani ti fogo buono nemi sana ya tiano no ye bunka hakeko e buakeko chani ti fogo bu asere jo mtimi bisa o muse na ne wonu na muse galanse no munje tu no muse che ina isoni na sesiano me akunta ti ni koja ne fom okitopia wata o ke wata no mudi ko nsu tama na memi wo ho ne akwa fom a ye die je ni bi na sanu mo bi na die diane wo ho ti pay for no who say omu ku emu village na na tina na do say ni ka village na wu a wanu na ba beto abama nti me send the galamsey ni dem zem me nya ko post send pa say omu de mu hwe rona mu de ye sero e kum ni fo kwase wo me send to abo my increase and ko for no why that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Hello,
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yes, sir. Afternoon, yeah.
Now where there?
I'm here to one batch also.
Yeah, me adu me ho pa. Me da you nua be ma say Okatakyie Afrifa say good message or the amaye. Omare ni de Okatakyie odo ebe ye be che. If so bia join the selfish interest. Ana the pakaka na be ka no kura no so a. Eni pa town omo. Aye be say your ma de. E say Ghana no o so be ka no kura na ye town. According to Omare na say Omare be ya. See, I'm sorry, according to you, I'm sorry, pa a bad days or my baby. If some penny for no more pro, I saw mono gray, or mono gray, your more pen or more. And see, as a member, as you to not me banner. Samuel, so may know mine who do your more yet business. And see, yet that must tell the Biamode program river. And my also, yeah, you see you, Edda Massey.
Also, did it say?
The battery in the South David Junior.
Safu David.
The quiet, as I'm telling you,
I'm here to you. Yeah, that's it. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Mbacho, we didn't maybe our cousin.
Zame Akwesi, Mr. Efie Ne Fie.
Yeah, I see it too.
Okay, Mr. Prekese, like, you know, a very good, mama, anime entertainment show, not turning into different kind of abua or mine. But one thing, the number one, the vital issue, young compassion, the Kashoba, the personal number, a very, very, very crucial.
95.1.
Because the way my young Indian a bit my catcher or air, Shankaminia producer and our personal number and Kababua.
Okay, yeah, above 6:30, I won't.
But you,
Fred 0277.
we are 0277. No answer, my friend.
11. Okay, number where our friend, no, about 6:30.
Yeah, and yeah, 11 last number 4422. No.
I know.
Okay, all right.
Oh, sorry. We're just right. Yemfa 2 more na Okatakyie rapport. Hello. Yes, sir.
Prekese.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Garcia to me Jaida, or can I have guy from Kambi?
I didn't I said Galamse Omuntumin Jai.
I put I
him for no car.
Yes,
Okay.
Can't tell what Prekese, yes, be Jaida, or can I have that myself? You saw going to be Jaida, or can I have so Prekese? What is
you?
Yamika.
You, okay. Hello. No people. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm patrolling baby Agas every.
Yeah, Mr. Man from Adenta.
Yo, you too, Mr. Man.
Yeah, on him. This year, no, a better in name share. NDC ni MPP no. One an Ghana pa because when we our friend Mama incompleted. Ebo share dia brother we ka
Onua
so good kapo abeshi. Mo ba yi ade ti say mo pese embre. MPP for ba yi ade ti say mo pe na bo mo ba on ba yo bi ma e pa etikasu ye bre. Ampa etikasu ampa. Na bo se nyansa ni ho a enye bre na be bre brother. Nyansa ni ne ba ma etikasu ne bo se woni nyansa o ade be bre krapo a obi ba fa afru che kra de akọ ko woni nyansa ndi MPP ni NDC dia efi enhwe dia betumi aboa Ghana na fa party foforo party different ye CDP a na wotuma mu this year 2024 no my pa mu NDC ni MPP tu baby because mo pese omu cost financial to the state no ani pa be na omu timiki
Okay.
ani pa hin na omu timiki di tu sawa young boys ya na omu sawa this year.
Hello.
Prekese.
Yay.
Good evening.
95.1.
Yes, I will.
I'm born about now. That's more near from Guabaria.
Yeah, that's for you too.
We have better said that Ghana, yeah, there. Say, Captain Smart and be the president, and you.
Captain, so we team ya, yes, rather, woman. The Ginaso. Now, dear Manga over Manga and in my head. They say, oh, yeah, dear. The boy about so, I did, oh, yeah, dear. But the president, they claim for I'm rather so, yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okatakyie. Yeah, born on.
What if the time is I'm saying no more discussing, not because or more person or mind to gain political capital. Udu Ashanti Regina. Adansia Krochere Galamsi. Adansia Krofum Galamsi. Amansia Galamsi. Manson Kwanta Galamsi. Manso Dubia Galamsi. Agro Yesum Galamsi. Esase Buntiufo Galamsi. And Tobroso Galamsi. De Woso Galamsi. A Honon Kwa Bear 15. Mebuboy Beche. Udu Western Regina. Takwa Galamsi. Pristia Galamsi. Bogoso Galamsi. Asankragwa Galamsi. Wasa Kropon Galamsi. Wasa Japa Galamsi. Wasam Poho Galamsi. Damai Galamsi. Teleku Bukaso Galamsi. A horse Binyamu Bonye Bay 15. Ukodru Western North Regina. I will win Galamsi. Bibiani Galamsi. Inche Galamsi. Seribekwa Galamsi. Seriaso Galamsi. Seria Kontombra Galamsi. Suamai Galamsi. Yenyamu Bonye Mediasiwo. Yanko Eastern Region. Adesu Galamse, Akwatia Galamse, Enyinam Galamse, Achinam Achima Sunafo Galamse, Akwabuaso Galamse, Akrofu Galamse, Arenare Galamse, Kwabe Galamse, Chebi Galamse, Oda Galamse, Ofuasia Yerebi Galamse, Osino Galamse, Niwa Brem Galamse, Enkatiaso Galamse, Yemwe Mediasiwo. Central Region. Dunkwa. Oh, Nyabuta. Dunkwa. Galamse. Ayamfuri. Galamse. Asin Asamai. Galamse. Asin Fosu. Galamse. Yadesiwo. Yanko Aya Ahafo Region. Dwaya Nkwanta. Galamse. Kenyase. Galamse. Ntotroso. Galamse. Yamfo. Galamse. Yanko Bono Region. Doma. Galamse. Chiramasu. Galamse. Wamfie. Galamse. Yanko Bunu East Region, Donkro Nkwanta, Galamse, Kintampo, Galamse, Nkranza, Galamse, Savannah Region, Banada Nkwanta, Galamse, Dollar Power, Galamse, Enteraso, Galamse, Yanko Upper West Region, Laura, Galamse, Chereponi, Galamse, Tanchara, Galamse, Sisala East, Galamse. So, Yanko Upper East,
Upper East,
Talensi, Galamse, Boga, Galamse. Yanko Northeast Region, Nagumba, Galamse, Mpampurugu, Galamse, Yanko Northern Region, Bole Bamboy, Galamse, da
Kurupe,
Bole, Galamse, Bamboy, Galamse, da
Kurupe, to another group near to
da Kurupe, Galamse, Tinga, Galamse, Uko Oti Region, Rara, Alluvia Mining, Eti Chrono. Baby, you to Galamse. And I will be on your address or Baby. Okoka, we want some pay. Obelusu. Obelusu.
95.
Yeah.
Political will.
Oh, na Kabito. See,
Galamse fighting. I say, Ghana is not the only country. Two gold. Eddie Oyuni ever since you come. Venezuela got there. Okay, South Africa also drew. Venezuela, was one man, one bullet. But why in the Benya South Wales no? To declare, say me your company, and yes, I made the 2 lines. I'm stopping when your mouth talk. IGP camp sit here.
FM 95.
Chief of Army Staff sit here. Air Force Commander sit here. National Security Minister sit here. The next 21 days, I do not want to hear or see any space under my jurisdiction. I to Galamse WOHO. And the president must speak with conviction of will. And your president will
I will see how Kabitu.
Yes, sir. Say the meaning you can.
No, I don't know.
On the bush for that.
Yeah, Kausa, finally, Nanama McGraw was with us, and Chebia, you'll be seeing her on our screens. Aha! You'll be seeing her on our screens. The screen goddess, Nanama McGraw. Abra, what a lifestyle show like no other ever. Experience true life stories, health discussion.